a few seconds each. And although that's long enough to reveal their general shape, it's not enough time to tell us anything about their exact composition or origins. We don't even know how long the song actually goes on for. Maybe it loops after a few seconds, or maybe it fades in and out with the phases of the moon, or even the seasons. There's a lot we don't know. And to figure it out, we need to get back to the moon. That's why NASA and other space agencies are planning a whole fleet of new moon missions to explore every part of our celestial neighbor, from its orbit to its deep interior. Some of them will land on the moon and deploy seismometers to listen closely to its rumblings. And once they're there, they can do more than just record sounds. Take NASA's Viper rover, for example. Launching in late 2023, it will search for resources like water ice and collect samples for a future return to Earth. While the moon's song might not immediately tell us anything about Viper's landing site, the instruments on board could help answer the bigger questions, like what's causing the seismic hum in the first place. After all, there are a lot of ways to produce sound. Most instruments, like drums and guitars, create vibrations by having something like a hammer hit a stretched membrane or a string. On the moon, we may be hearing the equivalent of a giant drum being hit over and over again. Or maybe it's more like plucking a giant string. To figure out which scenario is happening, we need to understand the properties of the moon's crust. Things like its density, stiffness, and composition. So while the moon is singing its ancient song, a new generation of robotic explorers are preparing to dance to its tune. And that raises another question. Can robots dance? Probably not, but they can collect data, and hopefully they'll help us solve this cosmic mystery that's been puzzling humans since 1959. As for why we care so much, well, studying the moon is just cool. But it can also help us understand other planets and even moons orbiting other planets. Saturn's moon Titan, for example.
To be continued.